guys, so I'm not in my office space right now. My office space happens to be in the basement, and since it's already dark outside, there's not enough light in the basement for you guys to be able to see what I'm doing. And I'm not in my usual videotaping chair, because if I sit there, I can't do all this craft that I'm doing today. Because this craft has a lot of small pieces. It doesn't look like it's going to be a whole lot, but we're just going to make a small rooster. So to make our rooster, we need our baggie, which has a bunch of stuff in it, although mine right now is empty because I've already got my pieces all laying out. And I need my glue. Your baggie is going to have a bunch of foam shapes, like white circles, yellow, red, and green hearts, and then some smaller red hearts, a little red not quite circle, but kind of a circle, and then a little yellow triangle. When I was trying to come up with a Bible animal for today's Bible story, I chose rooster because even though it doesn't mention it in the Bible story, the part of the Bible story that we read, if you keep going in the Bible, it'll tell you about how one of Jesus' disciples denied that he knew Jesus. These were his followers. But his followers, they all ran when Jesus was crucified. They ran and they hid. They didn't want to even acknowledge that they knew Jesus. But, so, the rooster crowed just as Peter denied that he knew Jesus 3 times. So, I chose to do the rooster so we could talk about birds. Well, so you can learn about birds. But anyway, let's get started. My table today is a little box. So, I'm going to open my glue. I'm going to take my 2 white circles. This probably would have been better if I had a glue bottle, but I don't. I've only got a glue stick. I'm going to glue my white circles together. They're gonna kind of look like a snowman, but you're gonna kind of turn it a little sideways. I'm holding it together so it can work. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hearts, my bigger hearts, and I'm going to glue them on the back of my rooster, because they are my rooster's feathers. I'm going to press them down for a moment to hopefully get them to stick a little bit. Looks like I might need to add a little bit more glue. But there's my feathers. Oop, sorry, my green one fell off. So let me add a little bit more glue to my green. Then I got to press it down a little bit more. And as I did that, my red and my yellow fell off. That's not good. So I'm going to press it down. My yellow still doesn't want to stick too well. But there's that. Now, I'm going to take my two little red hearts, and I'm going to glue them to the top of my rooster's head. So there they are, glued to the top of my rooster's head. Hopefully your guys stays together a little bit better than mine does, because mine just does not want to stay together today. So then I'm going to take my little red circle type thing, and I'm going to put it on the bottom of my rooster's head. That says gobbler. It does not want to stick. So Lindsay, do me a favor.
Yeah.
I'm going to restart this video. Will you see if there's tape in that